Hello dear students, I am Karim and welcome to you class 8 tutorials of computer. Dear students, you have learnt in the previous tutorial how to mention LSD and MSD of whole number and expand in the decimal number system. Now we'll discuss about the decimal number 49.12. In this decimal number 49.12, the decimal point separates the whole number on the left from the decimal digits on the right. I take a table of this number. Here you can see the table of the decimal number 49.12, and this table has two rows 1, 2 and fifth columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you know that first row shows the positional value of this digit and second row shows the position of this digit, and the position to the right of the decimal point are called the decimal places. The digit at the first decimal place shows the number of tenths. In our example, it is 1/10. The second decimal place shows the decimal of hundredths, and so on. In our example, there are 2 hundredths, and the positions to the left of the decimal point are called the whole number places. The digit at the first right place from the decimal point shows the position once, and the next position to left is the hundredths. The rightmost digit is called the least significant digit or LSD, and the leftmost digit is called most significant digit or MSD. I have expanded this number by using above table. So here you can see tooth position is hundredths, so its value tens power minus 2. So here will be 2 multiplied by tens power minus 2 and use plus sign. After that, one position is tenth and its weight tens power minus 1. So here will be 1 multiplied by tens power minus 1 and use plus sign. After that, 9th position is ones and its value is tens power 0, and here will be 9 multiplied by tens power 0. After that, I use plus sign, and 4th position is tenth and its value is tens power minus 1. So here will be 4 multiplied by tens power minus tens power 1. Sorry. In a second line, 4 multiplied by 10 because tens power 1 return value 10. After that, I use plus sign. 9 multiplied by 1 because tens power 0 return value 1 and use plus sign, and then 1 divided by 10 because tens power minus 1 return value 1 upon 10 and use plus sign. After that, 2 divided by 100 because tens power minus 2 return value 1 upon 100. So here will be 2 divided by 100. And in a third line, 4 multiplied by 10 product will be 40 plus 9 multiplied by 1 product will be 9 plus 1 divided by 10 return value 0.1 and plus sign, and then 2 divided by 100 the division will be 0.02. I hope you able to understand that how to mention LSD and MSD of decimal number and write as an expandable form. Now we'll discuss about binary number system. The computer system is designed on the binary number system. It has a base of 2. There are only 2 digits 0 and 1. It can represent any number with these 2 digits. The binary number system is also positional numbering system, wherein each binary digit has its own value or weight expressed as a power of 2. Consider the example 1011.0101, a binary number with a fraction. Here you can see in a table, for a binary number, the binary point separates the whole number part from the fractional part. The place value of the digits to the right of the binary point are got by raising 2 to successive negative powers, and the place values of the digits to the left of the binary point are got by raising 2 to successive positive powers. Now we'll discuss about octal number system. The octal number system has a base of 8. It has 8 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Each digit of an octal number can have any value from 0 to 7. The octal number system is also a positional numbering system. Each octal digit has its own positional value or weight expressed as a power of 8. As an example, consider 1267.12, an octal number with a fraction. Here you can see in a table. As in the decimal and the binary number system, the radix point separates the whole number part from the fractional part. The place value of each digit to the left and the right of the radix point is got by raising it to successive positive or negative powers respectively. I have given exercise as descriptive type questions. Please solve it. If you have any problem, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you next class. Till then, take care.